teacher.
Good morning.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all?
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam everyone. Good to see you guys. Are you guys all right?
Yes. Assalamualaikum teacher.
Hello. Can you hear me everyone? Yes? Can you hear me everyone? Everyone, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good, good. That's good.
The voice is not clear.
So my voice is not clear everyone? Everyone, can you hear my voice loud and clear? If yes, please thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up everyone. Good to see everyone join on time. Are you ready to do the arts everyone? Yes? Are you ready to do some art? Let's learn something new. First, let me know that you have a paper and pencil with you. Do you have a paper and pencil with you? Ayan, Abbas, sit properly. Did you take class lying down like that? Ayan, Abbas, can you hear my voice? Sit down properly. Fahad Abdul Bari, Mahira, open your camera. Ayan Ahmed, open your camera. Let me see your face, everyone. Yes, Abraham, what is your question?
Teacher, can I go to washroom?
Yes, you can. Okay, everyone.
Thank you.
No problem. Yes, everyone. Oh, good. Zainab, that's good. That's good. Today is an art class, and today we are going to learn something new. I'm going to show you a very beautiful crockery painting. If you have any glass or bowl or pot, anything you have available in your home, you can do the painting on it. No need to buy anything that is not usable right now or is not working. You can paint it, you can redecorate it. Okay, there are so many ideas I want to share with you. Let's see this one. Hope you guys like it. Everyone? You can choose any pot you like. If you don't have this mud pot, you can choose the glass or any plastic one you have available. No need to buy anything, okay, everyone? Try to use the material available in your home. Try to recycle it, okay? First, the pot is of brown color, so they are coating with a white. If you have already with the white and if you don't want to coat it with any other colors, so you can directly apply the colors you want. Okay, they are coating the white color first because they want to put the bright color. So bright color will pop out once you do in the white. Just like you wearing white and then you wear a green dupatta. The green dupatta will look more elegant, just like that. Okay. You can draw any geometrical design of your liking or any design of your choice, okay? No need to design exactly like this. I'm just giving you the idea with this video, okay, everyone? Try to think of something of yourself, okay? Even you can decorate your flower pot in your house. If you have a pot with the flowers or greenery on it, you can even also paint it, just like Ayana Bas last time shared it with us, the recycling of the pot by painting it and decorating it, okay? Yes, Zainab, you have a question?
टीचर हम लोग कोई सा भी कलर यहाँ पर डिजाइन बना सकते हैं
Sure, sure, no issue. Design and colors of your own choice. Try to think of a geometrical designs. I want to see more of it, okay? Geometrical designs, you understand, Zainab? What are the geometrical designs? Can you tell me their names? Geometrical shapes we have studied so far, 1 and 2 years. Basic geometric shapes. Okay, think about it. I will ask in the end of this class. Okay, everyone? So sorry, everyone. There is a network connection missing. Let's continue where what we are seeing. Are you guys enjoying seeing the pod show, pod painting? Thumbs up if you can. Oh yes, Zainab, you can also decorate this glass or any of your mug or any bowl or any pot or any crockery you would like to organize it with any colorful paintings and material things. Maheen, where is your, yes, like that. Good. Fahad, Ayan Ahmed Malahim, I cannot see you. I've seen so many decorative ideas from you. That's why I'm sharing a pod decorative ideas with you guys. Let's continue watching it. You can also play with the colors in the pot. You can also do the colorful pot painting like this yellow and red mixing in the orange and then it turns into a bright color, okay? You can also do the multicolor pot designs. I want to see variety of it. I hope to see it soon. If you want to draw something on the pot, try to draw with the pencil first, just like in this pot. That's how you can handle the painting. Okay, you can control the lines of the painting so that it won't uh, distort throughout the pot and looks bad or worsen. Okay, although in art there is nothing bad, but still, if you want to precise uh, results, then you need to use pencil for the before painting. Okay. For a small figurine painting like this one, use small brushes, okay? That's how you can control the line. If you want to draw a bigger one, bigger picture with the bigger colors, you can use the bigger brushes sizes, okay? Try to draw with 0.1 brush or 0.2 brush with the small line. Everyone noted down the smallest thing I'm telling you in the paper so that you won't miss the chance, okay? See, the figure is made up of a lot of geometrical shapes. Can anyone tell me what shape they have drawn? How many shapes they have drawn? Can anyone answer me? They have used, yes, Zainab, that's right. Poster colors, watercolors, acrylic paint, any paint you like. But tell me first what shape they have drawn. Can someone answer me? Who's going to answer me the shape of this figure? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you have an answer. Seems like you guys will have too much time for the resting. You guys forgot what are the basic geometrical shapes. Yes, Abraham.
Teacher,
Yes.
he or she is drawing a girl.
A girl, I know it, but can you define the shape? Can you define the shape?
Yes, miss.
Yes, what
First,
shape?
miss, first circle, then a line, then two triangles, and then lines.
Very good, Abraham. Thank you so much for answering. Everyone, wake up, wake up. What are you watching? Just let me know what you're watching. I need answers so that I must know that you are paying attention, my class. Right? So how can you differentiate the girl with the boy? Because of the shape. See the triangle. The triangle is defining that it's a boy, not a girl. That's how I'm talking about the shapes. The whole pot painting is about the shapes and a color and controlling of your hands. You draw, you paint, you examine, you judge how you're gonna draw it, how you're gonna paint it, how you're gonna figure out what's good to look, designing. It's all up to you. But let me know that you are paying attention. Rehan, what's so funny about it? I want to know too. Please let me know what's so funny about it. Why are you liking in my class? Ayana Bas, I can't see you. Where are you? Yes, Zainab. Abdul Bari watching? Malahin, you are watching? Yes, yes. Nod your head. Nod your head. Good, good. Yes, Zainab, what is your question? Try to use Zoom because use Zoom recording. There's a reaction in Zoom, reaction button in Zoom where if you can use a thumbs up or tap hands or raise your hand. Yes, Zainab.
Can we draw leaves?
Yes, I said you can draw anything you like, but let me draw the shapes of what you are drawing. Okay, the shape. First, we learned that anything you like to draw, you must know what shape it is. The first thing you draw is the basic outline, and that outline is called the shape. Okay, everyone, the first thing you draw is a line, the outline. The outline defines, then comes into a form. It's called shape. Then shape, you color it or paint it, it comes into a form. Okay, now let's go watch the video. You know why I'm showing you this pot painting? Because in ancient time, people used to draw in pot painting. They don't know what is canvas is. Canvas, we know that today most of the artists use canvas, but before they don't know what is canvas is, they use these artifacts to draw what they are watching. Now we are drawing in paper. They draw in poetry to show that Hamare king, they are doing this act of bravery. They are ruling in our kingdom and giving present to this king. So they draw these kinds of things in poetry to tell the people that Hamare king, they used to do like this thing, and we have हमारे this year में this thing happened. The story, the whole story they told in the artifacts like poetry or in the figure like I show you in the art spec that they draw in the wall, they carved in the wall and they tell the story that हमारे इस year में ये वॉर हुई थी और हमारे किंग इस तरह से विन किए थे उन्होंने और हमने ये अचीव किया this year. So they tell the story through these materialistic thing. Okay, so this poetry is come from that side that they start telling the story through this poetry. You can also tell your story of anything you like or any event you want to share with us with this pot painting. Okay, you can draw the story of this person seeing this person is having a bad thing or good thing in his hand and he's watching or he's holding something in his back and he's moving along saying that I am very tired, I am a labor, I'm working hard. So this person is telling you the story, and the next person who is shouting, giving his orders like go, do your duty, just like these kinds of things. This picture is showing you some story. These kinds of story I am very interested in to watch in your poetry. If you can do it, that will be very well and good. Okay, everyone, try to do some kind of this story making your poetry. Just not any painting, just not any drawing, but the storytelling painting. Okay, just like you have drawn in 14 August that our soldiers are marching towards our border, holding their flags in their hand, protecting our land. It's a story in your painting. Just like you have drawn the cow and sheep on Eid al-Adha, behind it it's a mosque and the Muslim people, man and woman is standing and doing the Allahu Akbar, saying Allahu Akbar and doing the sacrifice. It's a story of our religion, just like this. Try to draw something story like this in your pot painting also. Okay, I will be asking a story about your pot painting once you show it to me next week. Okay, everyone, thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying. Mahim, Ayan Ashraf, Ishul Khan, Ayan Abbas, Rehan, very nice Rehan. Everyone use these kinds of Zoom reactions. Thumbs up from your Zoom reactions. Yes, that's good. Good. Zoom reaction. I want a thumbs up from your Zoom reactions. Can you do that? Teachers, can you do that? Yes. Do you understand, everyone, that you have to do the pot painting with the storytelling? Next time I will listen to it. Write it down in a paper about 4 to 5 line story about the pot painting or the painting you have done. Okay. I will ask you with the picture of your pot. Okay. That what is the story of your pot? Write it down in the lines that you have to read it in the next time. Next class, I want to see the pot painting with the crockery. It can be any glass or mug or any pot. Okay, and tell me the 4 to 5 lines about your story, that what is the story that you painted. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to discuss about your story because we will be talking to hold the class. It will be 24 or 25%. So 1 minute for everyone. So everyone will get the chance to talk about this story. Try to practice it in your home. Once you write down 4 to 5 lines about your story, read it in front of the mirror and note down the time. It should be in 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute, I will stop the clock for you. And the next person will get the chance. We will do it, yes, Mahi. We will do it according to the name list. Okay, so prepare yourself for the next class. Enjoy it and write it down. Now I'm taking question answers. Yes, The first question is from Abraham. Abraham, what is your question, Abraham?
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर ये पॉट हमें अभी बनाना है
Next week, you can show it to me. You have a whole week to do it.
और टीचर क्या आप ये वीडियो टीचर आप ये क्या वीडियो स्कूल के पोर्टल के ऊपर भेज सकते हो
Sure, why not? But you have a YouTube access also. You can search a lot of ideas over there also. I can share it with you on the school portal with this video reference. Okay? Anything
Miss?
else? Yes.
फिर अगली क्लास के अंदर जो है
Try to speak
आप
in
ये
English,
हमारा
Abraham.
पाइपलाइंस का पूछेंगी तो इसके अंदर क्या हुआ
Try to speak in English. And ask me again.
ओके मिस
Alishba. Yes. What is your question, Alishba?
Yes, teacher.
What is your question? You raise your hand. What is your question, Alishba?
आपके पुराने नंबर आपके पुरानी आईडी से मैं कब से कनेक्ट करे जा रही हूँ हो ही नहीं रही
That's why there is a problem with my
बिल्कुल
laptop.
लास्ट में आपने मुझे दिया है वो
No, the ID was shared at the 2:28 to 2:26 minutes before the meeting. I think you have a late message receiving thing, but I shared the ID with before 3:30. There is some problem with my laptop, so I couldn't connect with my previous ID. So I connected this ID. Next time, try to connect it before the time. No problem. No problem. It can happen.
कुछ भी नहीं बनवाया मुझे क्या पता
Okay. Any more questions, everyone? Any? Rehan, this is not
टीचर
the way
आपने
to
क्या
class.
बनवाया है आपने क्या बनवाया है
Okay, let me give you a review, everyone. The review is that we have seen the pot painting, how to do a pot painting in the class. You can use any materials of the pottery or crockery available in your home. You can recycle it. It can be a glass, it can be a mug, it can be a pot, it can be a flower pot in your house. It can be anything you like to recycle it. No need to buy things, okay? And you can paint it according to your design, according to your color of your own choice, but try to draw something and very story type of thing. And just like I've shared you that in previous era, the king and the queens tell their story through the pot painting. So try to tell your story, some interesting event of yours through the pot painting. Draw it with a pencil and color it with the paint brushes and paint color paints. The paint colors and brushes will be of your choices, design of your own choice. Okay, and try to use the smallest brushes sizes, just like 0.1 or 0.2 brush size for the smallest drawing. And for the bigger drawing painting, you can use the bigger brushes sizes. Okay, you can use two brushes. Okay, the biggest sizes and the smaller one, the big one and the small one. Okay, switches in between them. And yes, you have to write down 4 lines, 4 to 5 lines about your story. Okay, Alizba, you're hearing me? 4 to 5 lines you have to write down about your story of the pot painting. What did you draw and what is the story about the pot painting? In 1 minute, you have to give me that story. You have to tell me that story in 1 minute in the next class. Okay, I will be asking you in the next class that what is your story. You have to give me your explanation in 1 minute. Okay, try to practice it, write it down in the paper so that you don't forget or confuse. Okay, try to be presentable, everyone, with your pot. I want to see you in the next class. Anything else question, anyone? I will be sharing this video, the pot I have shown you in the school portal. You can take the guidance from there. Yes, then in the next class, I will share you why I've shown you this pot painting. What is the message I want to convey you from this pot painting? Okay. Anything else, everyone? The time is up. So you have any question you can ask me right now? Malahim, you have to say something? You want to say something, Malahim? No? Okay, everyone. Then till take care, everyone. We'll see you next class. next week, try to stay home, stay healthy, and do useful things, read and study. Take care. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.